week 3. So at the end of week 2, you are reading chapter 4. So week 3, chapter 4. Again, choice between the actual OER textbook or the audio recordings of the textbook. You will see week 3 discussion board here. When you click on it, it is going to be very similar. This is a 2-part, just like the week before. Something that reached you personally or professionally from chapter 4, and then your 2 peer reports. From here, you go to the next button. There's an indoor-outdoor safety assignment. This will take you a little bit of time. You are going to click these. You are going to click these links, and this takes you to a virtual lab school. The directions are pretty straightforward. So the objectives are for this assignment, you're going to describe characteristics of a safe indoor and outdoor environment, arrange indoor and outdoor materials, and promote safety, evaluate the conditions of materials indoor and outdoor, and then practice safe supervision. And then the virtual lab schools here. Once you finish watching the videos, write a summary explaining the do's and don'ts regarding safety in the classroom. So you're just recapping what the video is saying. Use the handouts provided to gather your findings, and there's this little indoor-outdoor doc here, which we'll download. Actually, we'll open. And this is where you will write your information. So you watch the videos using this link for the virtual lab school, and then you're going to answer these questions. As far as the link is there again, just for help. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, but I feel like the instructions are pretty clear. Everything, again, is in there twice so that you can answer it. But why is safety the first priority within our classroom and the environment? So you're just going to tell me why you feel safety is a priority. The videos do overview it, and then you put it into your own words. And then what ways in which early childhood educators can design a safe environment, and experiences for children and families in a classroom program. So then you go through each of these questions, and then you are going to do the play spaces activity. You're going to watch an outdoor spaces video, and then as you watch the video, identify features in the environment that help keep children safe. And so then the feature is the large covered, and then how does the covered play space keep children safe? And so then you would have to say something along the lines of keeps children out of direct sunlight, prevents children from being sunburned. However you want to word that, you will go through the list and add an example for each one. So that is, let's go back to modules. That is week 3 at a glance. And again, you are not done. Now you're going to start reading chapter 2.